Alright guys, so we are here and we were thinking how to get a better view of Las Vegas. There are too many things to do, too many things to see, and it's impossible. So we decided to go on a ride. So this is 702 Helicopters. If you want to contact them, you can look at them online, and we'll tell you how the ride went. Right? Excellent. They take you to several places, like you could do a strip tour, a Red Rock Canyon. It's a very nice place, and you can book. This is the phone number, the email. There you go. How do you like it?
I love it.
That was awesome, guys. Really nice. Definitely, if you want to see more of Las Vegas, come to 702 Helicopters. We can give it a thumbs up.